So, my dear students, today I am giving you the topic of speaking. As you know that it is Saturday and speaking session we have always speaking session on Saturday, and as you are learning here English, so today your topic is you have to tell the importance of English and how you can learn it. So start giving your names in the mailbox. Okay, चलिए फटाफट शुरू करो. It is nice that I have got your names. And first of all, I have got the name of Rohit. So I'm starting with Rohit. Come on, Rohit. All will
Yes, sir.
listen to him carefully so that you can express your views comfortably. Just come on, Rohit.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Rohit Yadav, and today I'm going to tell you that what is the importance of English and how we can learn it. As we all know that in the today's world, English is a very common language and a common language, but not in all countries. But it is important to learn English because English is used in all over the world, in many documents and in many documents and in communication also. Like if we are talking to any foreigner, then we need to talk in English.
Hmm.
And as you know that in India also all competitive exams are there in English or
Your
English
voice is
only.
not clear.
And
Your voice is not clear.
yes, sir. As you all know that nowadays all the competitive exams are English only, and we have to pay. And so learn English because without English we cannot achieve success in our life.
Your voice is not
And
clear.
that
No, sorry, sorry, sorry. This is worthless. Make it okay,
okay,
then
sir.
come again. Then I am calling. Now I am calling Gaurav.
Yes, sir. I'm Gaurav. My today's topic is the importance of English.
Hmm.
English is very important language and it is the most abundant language and the most known language in the whole world. We can talk to any people of any country with help of English.
Hmm.
English is very important for good jobs and
शाबाश. धीरे
also
धीरे बोलो बेटा. वैसे हाँ, ऐसे धीरे धीरे आराम से. हाँ.
and also we can get good jobs from English language, that we can learn English. And there are many things that under, but there is a question in every children's mind,
Hmm.
that how to learn English,
शाबाश.
that how to understand English.
Hmm.
So there are many solutions, but the main solution is to focus and understand the rules of English and other formulas and how
Very good.
to form
Nice
sentences
speaking.
and other
शाबाश
things.
बेटा. शाबाश बेटा.
And English is not a small topic. It is a very huge topic to talk and to understand and to learn and speak on it and write on it, think on it.
Hmm.
So it is very hard, but if we try to do that, we can achieve it.
Hmm.
And we can speak English, and English is not very hard, but it is very huge. And it is very huge subject.
Hmm.
But if we focus on the English,
Hmm.
so we can learn it. English language is very good for good jobs, and we can get good jobs. And like we can talk to foreigners, and in business we can talk to foreigners and sell them our things and other things. So English is very useful and most common language in the whole world. That's it. Thank you.
Very good. Nice. शाबाश बेटा. हाँ.
Yes,
रोहित
sir.
रोहित हर्ष हाँ आ जाओ बेटा.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible. Come on.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Rohit Yadav, and today I'm going to tell you importance of English and how we can learn it. As we all know that in today's world, English is a very important language because without English we cannot get a success in our life because in a whole over the India at competitive level English is spoken, and as you all know that competitive exams are also in English. And nowadays in government schools also the English is spreading rapidly.
Hmm.
Our country India, our country Bharat wants that every citizen should be perfect in English, and that can only be happen
आराम से बोलो, आराम से
if
बोलो,
we
हड़बड़ाओ मत, आराम से। मैंने पहले भी समझाया तुम्हारे
yes
को,
sir
थोड़ा आराम से बोला
if
करो।
we work yes sir
हाँ
if we work hard
हाँ
if we will work hard in English and focus on the concept of the English, then we will learn then we will learn and then we will learn English. And as we all know that to learn a language there are two ways. First of all, understanding the concept and doing practice of that language. And the second option is that living in an environment of English. So that is why most of the people are shifting from rural to urban areas to because in urban areas there is a environment of English, because most of the people in the urban areas speak English. And as you all know that to learn English or any language, we should be focused, and if we are not focused, then we are not
आराम से
able.
बोलो, आराम से बोलो। मैं फिर कह रहा हूँ तुमसे, बहुत गलतियां कर रहे हो। आराम से बोलो थोड़ा
Yes
सा।
sir.
हाँ।
Then we are not able to learn English.
हम्म
So in my view, I think that if we want to learn, or we can say understand the concept of English, um, we should focus on the language, and should try to become perfect in it. I am not saying that everyone in this world is perfect in English. And there is a concept in the English, that is vocabulary. And vocabulary is a very wide concept. If the person has done all the grammar, then there is a one a topic in front of him, that is vocabulary. If we have we have practiced vocabulary, then we can speak a good English. And as you all know that and in our nowadays, in every competitive exam, in every interview, everything is asked in English, and we have to reply it in English only. So in my view, I think that English is a very easy language if we learn it by focus and understand it with our full potential. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड। योर स्पीड इज टू मच, बट लिसन करना, लिसन योर इज रिकॉर्डिंग, देन आई विल टेल यू टुमारो, देन व्हाट आर योर मिस्टेक्स। स्पीड थोड़ी कम रखो, चीजों को
Yes, sir.
रिपीट मत करो, फ्रेजेस को बार बार वो रिपीट मत करो। मैं आपको बताऊंगा, है ना, बताऊंगा मैं आपको कि आप क्या मिस्टेक क्या कर रहे हो। ग्रामेटिकल भी इतनी मिस्टेक नहीं है आपकी, आप जो मिस्टेक कर रहे हो बताऊंगा मैं आपको। समझ रहे हैं ना आप? वो फोकस करना आपके थोड़ा सा उस पर। यस, कम ऑन सुशील।
Yes,
Sir,
sir. Hello,
हाँ बेटा,
everyone.
आज ओके
My name
ओके
is
ओके, सॉरी 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 सॉरी। यस हर्ष।
yes, sir.
हाँ
Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harshadhan. Today, my topic is importance of English and how to learn English. Uh, as we know that English is a language which is spoken in all over the world. Um, there are many ways of learning English. Focus, learning it with their full potential.
these are not the
Living in
ways, these are not the ways। चलो कंटिन्यू रखो तुम।
um, uh, i- im- uh, English contains a high importance uh, because when we go to any urban area, or give or sit in an exam, then all the questions that are asked to us are in English, and we have to reply them in English only. If not, then in surrounding our reputation will go down, and in exam we will not get marks. So to learn English, we should concentrate a lot, or we should live in a surrounding. Like foreigners learn English because they live in a surrounding in which English is spoken.
शाबाश।
Like in many countries, English is a national language, but in India it is not so. In India, the national language is Hindi, so we know Hindi very well. So government has uh, concluded that English should be there in all the schools. किसी का माइक ओपन है।
मैं बंद कर रहा हूँ, आप बोलो, तुम तो बोलते रहो, कंटिन्यू रखो।
English should be compulsory in all the schools and colleges,
Hmm.
so that India can move and progress rapidly.
Hmm.
Uh, no one is perfect in English,
Hmm.
because there is a very big point in English which is known as vocabulary.
Hmm.
Vocabulary is the type of saying a word in a many ways its opposite a word's meaning.
Hmm.
And as we know that there are infinite words in English,
Hmm.
a word has many meanings,
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
and a person cannot learn or understand all those.
Hmm. Hmm.
So the major weak point of all the persons who are learning English is vocabulary.
Hmm.
So if you want to learn English, then after completing your grammar and basic, you should move to vocabulary. That's it, sir.
Very good. ठीक है. Nice speaking.
सर कैन वी लीव?
क्यों?
अरे सर यहाँ गांव में नेट नहीं आता वैसे.
कोई बात नहीं, सुन लो. अब बैठ के तुमने करना ही क्या है?
ओके सर.
हाँ.
ले
यस, कम ऑन सुशील.
Yes,
ज्यादा
sir.
आधा घंटे ही
Hello
क्लास है और क्या
everyone.
है?
My name is
पार्टिसिपेट करो. यस.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. My name is Sushil, and I am student of the Raman online interactive classes from 16. And today our topic is the importance of English language.
हाँ.
As we know that language is very important because it is used to express our views.
शाबाश. सुनो सब लोग ध्यान से. हाँ.
And we express our views in many languages
Hmm.
like Hindi, English,
Hmm.
uh, Chinese,
Hmm.
Korean,
Hmm.
French,
Hmm.
etc.
Hmm.
Uh, and English is one of them, and it is an international language,
सब सुनो ध्यान
and
से.
it
हाँ.
is
हाँ.
very yes sir. And it is very important in the view of exam and to communicate with people.
You others can note down the points if they want to make their speaking impressive. Yes, come on. Hmm.
Yes, sir. It is important in exam because each exam has a section of English.
शाबाश. हाँ.
And without getting good marks in English, we can't get first rank in our exam.
Hmm. Hmm.
And it is also important to communicate and when we go abroad for business and job, so it will very helpful for us to communicate with others
शाबाश.
because we
शाबाश. Hmm.
don't know the because they don't know Hindi,
Hmm. Hmm.
and if we are not able to communicate with them, sorry sir,
कोई बात नहीं. कोई बात नहीं. बोलो.
sorry, sir.
हाँ.
So it will very big it will very big issue for us.
It will be. हाँ. बोलो आगे बोलो.
Yes sir. Now and some people say that British has gone from our country, but they have left a big issue for us.
Hmm.
That is English language.
Hmm.
Uh, because most of the p- persons are not able to speak English.
Hmm.
And now I am talking the ways to learn this. There are two there are two ways. First is living in environment, and second is by its basic.
Hmm.
And when we complete our basic, then a big issue in front of us, that is vocabulary, because there are much meanings in in it, and we can't understand the all meanings,
Hmm.
but we can become perfect in this language by doing regularly.
By doing practice regularly
Okay, by
या
doing
by practicing
practice
regularly. हाँ
regularly.
बोलो 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 घबराओ मत.
Okay.
Hmm.
So at last I want to say that we should learn, but we should not forget Hindi. So that's it.
वेरी गुड. कॉन्फिडेंस लो हो जाता है कभी कभी तुम्हारा, है क्या बात है बेटा?
सर पता ही नहीं
पता ही
सर.
नहीं तो इसको थोड़ा पकड़ के रखो. कोई बात नहीं, लेकिन बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस है, मुझे मालूम है. कभी कभी कुछ होता है, उसका कोई इशू नहीं है बेटा, है ना? बस
Okay,
घबराया
sir.
मत करो बिल्कुल भी. यस कम ऑन तनिष.
Yes, sir. Good evening, all of you. My name is Tanish. I am a student of Raman Online Interactive Classes from batch 19.
Hmm.
Today, our topic is importance of English and how to we learn it.
Hmm. आराम से बोलना
English
बेटा.
is
हाँ.
English is very important language because uh, when we uh, when we go in a exam, so the uh, paper language is English,
Hmm.
and we communicate with the foreigners.
Foreigners.
foreigners
हाँ.
so we use English. It is very common language in whole world,
Hmm.
and but many people say that in India that it is very hard language, but it is not hard language when we understood
Understand.
understand
शाबाश शाबाश,
understand
बहुत अच्छा बोल
this
रहा है. वेरी गुड.
and
हाँ. Hmm.
understand this. It is very it is very easy language, and we learn some things like helping verbs,
हाँ
mean
हाँ
verb,
हाँ
and then that's like a
हाँ
maths
हाँ
formula,
हाँ हाँ
and
हाँ.
we improve this by four skills like reading, listening, speaking, and
राइटिंग बहुत अच्छा.
writing.
शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा बोल रहा है बेटा. हाँ. Hmm.
We we read articles and blogs, and we read English news, and second, and we write short stories, paragraphs in English, and
Hmm.
we listen English movies, English musics, and we speak with our natives, and mm, mm, and and vocabulary is also very important when we so we learn new words of vocabularies, so we improve our English.
Hmm.
Yes, sir, that's it.
बहुत बढ़िया बोल रहा था. थोड़ा सा छूट का यूज करना चाहिए था कई जगह पे, कोई बात नहीं, लेकिन तू दोबारा सुनेगा ना जब तेरी रिकॉर्डिंग, तेरे को पता चल जाएगा कि मेरे कहाँ पर कैसे. बाकी बहुत अच्छा, थॉट्स बहुत अच्छे आ रहे थे तेरे. शाबाश, कीप इट अप. शाबाश बेटा. यस कम ऑन कोमल.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Komal Verma and I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from batch 11. Today my topic is the importance of English and how we can learn it. We all know that we live in Bharat and there is a lot of population and all people speak different types of languages like Hindi, English, Marathi, Urdu, Gujarati, Marwari, etc. All languages are very important and we have to use it in different ways, and we have to understand that languages,
Hmm.
and we all know that English is one of them, and English is also very necessary and important language because it is an international language, and in the Bharat many people speak English, and in all countries, mm, in the English language, many works has been done,
आर
and
डन. मैनी वर्क्स आर डन इन इंग्लिश. आराम से बोल, घबराए मत. हाँ, फोकस करके रख, एकदम पकड़ के रख चीजों को टाइट से. हाँ. हम्म.
yes, sir. And English is very important for all because there it is used different ways in the we all know that in the schools teachers teach English language as a subject to complete their course, but they don't teach English language like a language, because they have to pressure to complete their course, and we have to learn English language like only a language, because it is used in different types, and we have to and when we learn it as a language, and and then we can speak, and English in the hospitals and schools, and in the business areas English is also used, and and in the medical line English is also used. And how we can learn it, there are many types of courses to learn it, and it is necessary to it is necessary in different ways, and English tenses, sentences, and framing questions, and active passive voice, vocabulary, and models, and also passages and letters, and many things is used in the English language, and we should learn it, and and self practice and hard work is also used in that, and Hindi is also our language, and we should learn Hindi and English also, and English is also important for us. That's it, sir.
शाबाश, वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश है. यस, नाउ वैष्णवी.
So, good evening, sir.
वेरी गुड इवनिंग बेटा. आजा बेटा, आ गई क्या घर पे? आजा.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Vaishnavi. I'm the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from B18. And today, again, we have a speaking session. So today, our
शाबाश.
topic is importance of English. As you know, that there are many languages in the world, like French, Japanese,
शाबाश.
Chinese, and etc. And English is one of them. You know very well that English is a very important language, because it is an international language. When we in another country, we don't know their local language, we can communicate them in
शाबाश,
English
वेरी
language.
गुड. वाह, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा. हाँ.
It is used in the field of like sports, medical, etc.
हाँ, शाबाश शाबाश. घबराओ मत, आराम से बोलो. हाँ, छोटे छोटे सेंटेंस. वेरी गुड.
To be perfect in this language, we need to environment, and we should do practice and more practice. And in my home environment, I communicate with my family members in English
शाबाश,
language.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. हाँ.
So they also learn the English language, and English is spoken all over the world. And when we in a job interview,
When we are, कोई बात नहीं, बोलो. हाँ हाँ, बोलो बोलो, अच्छा बोल रहे हो. और थोड़ा फोकस करोगे तो छोटी मोटी गलतियां खत्म हो जाएंगी. हाँ बेटा, बोल बोल बोल, आराम से बोल, घबराए मत बिल्कुल भी, कॉन्फिडेंस है अब. हाँ.
yes, when we are in the interview of job, we can communicate with them in English language. And in the competitive exams, English is used in the English is used in the exam paper. And nowadays, English is a very common language, so everyone speak English. And I love this And this is not only a language, this is also a subject.
Hmm.
And I love this subject so much.
Hmm.
And mm, you,
Okay, how can we learn it?
so we can do more and more practice,
Shabash.
and
Hmm.
and we can write any paragraph, story, letter, etc.
Hmm. Hmm.
daily.
Hmm.
Yes, sir, that's it.
कोई बात नहीं, बहुत अच्छा। लास्ट में तुमने बहुत अच्छा, शुरू से तो बहुत अच्छी करते हो तुम, फिर आखिर में थक जाते हो, क्या बात है?
सर वो थोड़ा थॉट्स को लेके
कोई बात नहीं, सेल्फ राइटिंग किया।
लास्ट में थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ हो जाता है सर।
हाँ, लास्ट इसको कंट्रोल करना है बेटा, लास्ट में गड़बड़ नहीं होने देना है ना, उसको इतना कंट्रोल करके रखना है कि उसको तरीके से अपने को लास्ट तक भी वही चीज बनी रहे अपनी, अपने को ये कोशिश करनी है अगली बार से नहीं, ये चीज तो ठीक करनी है बेटा। प्रिया।
Yes, sir.
हम्म।
Hello, everyone. My name is Priya Meena. I'm the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes.
हम्म।
And today's our topic is English language
हम्म।
and how can we learn it.
हम्म।
So present age is the modern age, and in this age, the English language is spoken widely.
बहुत
So
बढ़िया।
it is very important to learn every people. And English language is an international language also. And English language is the key to be communicated with
टू
in
कम्युनिकेट
this
ठीक था बेटा,
world.
टू कम्युनिकेट विद अदर्स। ओके, आगे बोलो।
And it is the language of business and education. It is also helpful for travel and tourism also. And no another language has the prosperity and prestige as the English language.
वेरी गुड।
It is the most widely spoken language
बहुत बढ़िया।
around this world.
हम्म।
And in many countries, the ability of speaking English is taken like prestige.
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया सेंटेंस बनाया, शाबाश। इस थॉट भी यूज कर सकते थे यहाँ पर, है ना? हाँ, आगे बोलो।
Yes.
शाबाश, वेरी गुड, बोलो।
And
दिस इज द इंग्लिश दैट आई वांट। यस। हाँ।
language is the language of education, because it is also very helpful in the field of education. And it opens doors towards to get success, to be get success
नहीं, टू
early,
गेट सक्सेस ठीक है, इट्स ओके, पैसिव क्यों
get
बोला?
success earlier. And we can learn English language easily with the help of our tutor and our self practice.
हाँ हाँ, शाबाश।
For improving our English language, we can do conversations with others and stay in the environment of English.
शाबाश शाबाश।
So I think it is a very easy and common language, and it is not hard language. सर हार्डर बोल सकते हैं क्या?
बोल दे, तू बोल दे ना, तू क्यों डर रही है? तू अपने कौन सा उसमें नंबर मिले?
It is not harder than Hindi language.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया बोला, बोल दिया ना, हार्डर सही आ गया ना, नेचुरल आएंगी बेटा ये चीजें अब। ये नेचुरल आएंगे बेटा। मैं तो बोलना चाह रहा था उस समय कि फिर देन आना चाहिए बाद में, लेकिन मैंने बोला नहीं, क्योंकि मुझे लग रहा था कि नेचुरल आएगा तुम्हारे मुंह से। यही तो इंग्लिश चाहता हूँ मैं, और क्या चाहता हूँ मैं। हाँ।
And it is very easy language, and it is my favorite language also. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, नाइस परफॉर्मेंस। देखो कितना धीरे धीरे बोला, बहुत तसल्ली से बोला, सब कुछ क्लियर हो गया। ऐसे ही आपको भी करना है, हड़बड़ाना नहीं है, माइंड को अपने सोचना भी है, करना भी है। हड़बड़ाओगे तो गड़बड़ करोगे ना, हड़बड़ी में गड़बड़ी वो होती है। चल भाई आजा महालक्ष्मी।
Yes, sir. My name is Lakshmi Gujar. Today our topic is English language. There are many types of language like Hindi, English, Korean, Japanese, and etc. English is one of them because it is an international language. It is being used
शाबाश,
business
बहुत बढ़िया। हाँ
and
हाँ।
workplace, and most of the people use this language. Most of the foreign
फॉरेनर्स
people,
बेटा, फॉरेनर्स।
foreigners people
हाँ, पीपल
speak
भी। हाँ, बोल 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 बोल।
speak English, and most of the tourists come in the Bharat and they speak English. So most of the people don't understand, and the
फॉरेनर्स
live in surrounding of English language, and they learn English language, and it is language use many exam,
शाबाश।
and it is useful language because in in a future most of the people will speak English, and nowadays most of the people dream to learn English,
have dream। हाँ,
have dream to learn English, but they thinks that English language is a very hard language, and they do not practice, they do not learn English language. But my opinion that English language is a not hard language because it is a easy language in other language
rather than other languages। हाँ,
other than
हाँ हाँ हाँ, बोल बोल, घबरा मत, तू बोल, बहुत अच्छा बोल रही है तू, छोटी मोटी ये गलतियां चलेंगी। हाँ,
and if we should be focused in the language, so we can achieve our goals.
अरे वाह, बहुत बढ़िया यार, मजा आ गया। हाँ हाँ,
we can do job biggest companies,
in big companies। हाँ हाँ,
in big companies, and we can achieve success in our life. That's it, sir.
अरे वाह यार लक्ष्मी, यार मजा आया सुन के यार, शाबाश। सच में बड़ा, तुम्हें तो क्या पता, पर हमें कितना फील होता है ये तुम नहीं समझ सकते हो। तुम मतलब एक, कोई जो कहा है ना किसी ने कि एक मूर्ति को बनाने के बाद में एक जो मूर्तिकार होता है वो उसको देख देख के रोता है कि यार ये मैंने बनाया है क्या इसको यार। मतलब वो रोने का मतलब है कि वो उसको एक अलग फीलिंग्स होती है उसकी यार। दिस इज द फीलिंग दैट आई फील। जब आप लोग बोलते हो ना, जब मैं आप लोगों को सुनता हूँ तो वो फील मुझे होता है। यस, शाबाश, कीप इट अप, वेरी गुड बेटा, प्राउड ऑफ यू, यू ऑल, वेरी गुड। रक्षित आजा बेटा।
Yes, sir.
हाँ भैया,
Hello, everyone. Sir, good evening, sir.
वेरी गुड इवनिंग। बोल, सर्दी ज्यादा हो रही है क्या? कैप लगा ले बेटा। हाँ, कुछ नहीं रखा।
Yes, sir.
हाँ,
Hello, everyone. My name is Rakshit Mohra, and today I am telling about importance of English. As we all know that English is very important language, and it is used all over the world, and because they and it is very important in present world because if you go abroad, you need a thing so that from that you can communicate with each other, and English is a very easy language to learn, and you can communicate it. You can communicate by it amongst others, and it will make your life easy in abroad. And and now English has been taken in use all over the world, and almost every many countries are giving importance to this language. And in India, this language came in use from the rule of British Empire, and now it is used in almost every field in
अरे
India.
मोटर देख लेना कि
And
ऊपर की टंकी में पानी निकल रहा हो.
and so according to the present situation, it is very important for everyone to learn enough English so that he or she can use it well in every field. And if you want to learn English, first of all you have to learn its grammar, and along with grammar you have to focus also on its vocabulary. And when you have some command on the grammar and vocabulary of English,
शाबाश.
you should focus on the 4 points that are listening, reading, speaking, and writing.
Perfect.
That will
बहुत बढ़िया.
improve
हाँ,
your English very
बहुत
much.
बढ़िया. Very
And
good. हाँ.
if you will, and if you have taken command on these points also, you can use English in a very nice manner. And
बहुत बढ़िया.
and you can all and self practice is also very important to improve your English, in which you can write anything in English, and you can read any text and understand. Along with, you have to understand it also, and you can listen anything, and you can speak on any topic. And so sir, that's it.
अरे यार बहुत बढ़िया बोल रहा था यार. एकदम से ऐसे मत खत्म किया करे यार. एकदम से ब्रेक लग जाता है तेरा, तो तेजी से ब्रेक लगे तो एक्सीडेंट होता है. वो एकदम से नहीं ऐसे खत्म करना चाहिए ना. थोड़ा सा एक
Okay
दो
sir.
सेंटेंस कंक्लूजन के निकाल करके फिर खत्म करना चाहिए किसी चीज को.
Okay sir.
हाँ यार, सदमा लग जाए किसी को सुनने वाले को. यस नाउ कबीर, आ जा भाई.
जय श्री कृष्णा सर.
खुश रहो बेटा.
Hello everyone, my name is Kabir. I am the student of Rambad English Interactive Classes from batch B18. Today's my topic is importance of English and how we can speak it. As we know that we are human beings and we express our thoughts in a language. This language is called, oh sorry sir.
दिस इज कॉल्ड लैंग्वेज. हाँ बोलो बोलो, कोई बात नहीं, बोलो.
Language, there are many languages in use in the world, like English, Hindi, Marathi, Japani, etc. English is one of them. English is an international language. It is used in many fields like board exam, competition exams, board exams, etc. Which is very useful for us.
आराम
It
से
is
बोलो बेटा. हाँ
it
आराम
is
से.
all
हाँ.
yes, it is also used in many companies, like it is like it is also used in many popular schools like Central Slum. All students only speak in English. As we know that if we go in other country, we can communicate to other with the help of English.
शाबाश, वेरी गुड. हाँ ऐसे. हाँ.
By which we can express our thoughts to every person. English is not a difficult language, but some people some people said that English is very hard and difficult language. Uh, but I think English is not a difficult and hard language, because if we do these three things, which is practice, learn, and apply.
शाबाश
Why?
शाबाश.
सर इससे को क्या कहते हैं?
By this.
By this, we can by this we can speak English very well. In my thoughts, English is very nice and peaceful language. Yes, sir, that's it.
शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा बोला बेटा. Very good, बहुत बढ़िया. Everything is very nice. शाबाश. Yes, now हर्षित. आजा बेटा.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Very good evening.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Harshit More. I'm the student of Raman Online Interactive Classes. Today's my topic is English language. English is very important for us as we are living in a society. And in a society to live, we use any type of languages to communicate with each other. English is one of them which is used all over the world. And almost every countries use this language to communicate with each other, and it is an international language that is being used too much at this time, and it is very important for us to learn English language as in today's world almost everything is changing in English, so that everyone can approach to the things that are in the language of English, which are also in the foreign countries. And English is very important for us to, if we decide to go abroad from the country, because abroad from the country we can't use our languages, and there we have to use only English language. And it is very important for us to learn it, and there are commonly two methods to learn this language. First is to be in the environment of this language, and second one is to learn it by the things, by verbs, helping verbs and main verbs, and such a type of things, which takes us some times but makes us able to understand everything and make us speak in English. And as we know that everything takes time, so English will also take time, because it is not our mother tongue, so that it would not be too easy for us to learn this language. But I'm sure that it is easy. And nowadays, as you can see, that our world is changing and developing a lot, and there are many technologies which can be only operated only by English language, and the things which are important to operate that system. And as we can see that most of the people go abroad of the country to work, and there he can't use his own language. There he has to use English language. So in my view, English is very important for us, and we must learn this language. That's it, sir.
Very good, शाबाश. थोड़ी सी ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक है, मैं बार-बार का थोड़ा फोकस करो, ये सभी लोगों के लिए है
Okay,
ये
sir.
बात. हाँ, रिकॉर्डिंग सुनोगे तो पता चल जाएगा, इतना ध्यान से सुनो. अब कल मैं पूछूंगा तुमसे क्या क्या गलतियां थी तुम्हारी, है ना बेटा?
Okay,
हाँ,
sir.
बाकी बहुत अच्छा है, सब कुछ वेरी नाइस. थोड़ी बहुत कमी है वो ठीक करना बेटा उसको, है ना? यस, रश्मि
यस सर.
कहाँ है?
सर मैं कैमरा ऑफ करके बोल सकती हूँ?
क्या हो गया बेटा?
सर मेरा फोन चार्ज नहीं है, अभी लाइट चली गई
अच्छा,
थी.
आजा बोल बेटा.
My topic is the importance of language and how can we learn it. English is very important language in the world. The number of
आराम
English
से बोलना बेटा,
language.
छोटे-छोटे सेंटेंस. हाँ.
Okay, sir. English is the international language. The number of English language speakers is the largest in the whole world.
Very good. हाँ.
in our country, and many countries have English medium schools, English medium colleges.
हम्म
It is help to communicate with other peoples.
और आराम से थोड़ा तसल्ली से बिल्कुल फोकस करके बोल, कॉन्फिडेंस के अच्छा बोल रही है, बस ये समझ ले। हाँ बोल।
The majority of books, magazines, newspapers are printed in English.
शाबाश।
English is the second most spoken language in India. It is mainly used on social media and internet.
शाबाश।
Most of the peoples go abroad. They don't use our mother tongue, but
कांट यूज, हाँ कांट यूज आएगा
can't
बेटा। हाँ
mother tongue. They have to communicate with foreigners in English.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया। हाँ ऐसे बोलो आराम से, धीरे धीरे तसल्ली से। हाँ
Nowadays, all the companies contact interviews in English language. These importance of language and how can we learn it? We should read books in English language and see movies in English. We should read tenses and improve vocabulary.
शाबाश।
We should do self-writing. We should talk with others in English.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा। हाँ बेटा।
That's it, sir.
अरे बहुत अच्छा बोला आज बेटा, शाबाश। ऐसे धीरे धीरे तसल्ली से बोला कर बस, है ना बेटा। हाँ ऐसे छोटे छोटे सेंटेंस, धीरे 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 धीरे, अपने आप स्पीड अपने आप आ जाएगी। स्पीड नहीं चाहिए अपने को अभी। ओके हाँ यस कम ऑन, खुशी आओ बेटा।
Yes, sir.
हाँ बेटा।
My topic is English language. There are many languages in our countries like Hindi, Urdu, English, Gujarati, Punjabi, etc. English is one of them.
शाबाश, वेरी गुड। हाँ
Language is very important in our life because we express to our thought by language.
बहुत बढ़िया। ऐसे धीरे धीरे तसल्ली से, अपने आप आएगा सब अपने आप। हाँ हाँ
English language is international language. Most of the countries use English language.
बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश।
We can talk to people.
हाँ
We can talk to people of other countries
हाँ
on social media.
बहुत बढ़िया है, शाबाश। हाँ
First of the we should learn basic English grammar and practice daily.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया।
We should learn new words.
वेरी गुड। हाँ
And we should writing, reading and listen daily.
वेरी गुड।
And that's it.
बहुत बढ़िया बोला, खड़ी होगी लक्ष्मी के बराबर में आके। है बेटा।
हाँ
हाँ शाबाश बेटा, वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस है। बस सब हो जाएगा, अभी स्पीड भी आ जाएगी, थॉट्स भी आ जाएंगे, थोड़ा दिमाग अपने आप धीरे 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 देखना भी कैसे क्या हो जाता है, चिंता करने की जरूरत नहीं है बेटा, है ना। नाइस परफॉर्मेंस। यस खुशी बैरवा।
Good evening, sir.
हाँ बेटा।
Today's my topic is importance of English. English is the most spoken language because it is a very common language.
we learn English in school to talk to people from other countries.
शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा, धीरे धीरे बोल, मैं तसल्ली से, हाँ, कोई जल्दबाजी नहीं है बेटा, हाँ।
English helps us read books, watch
शाबाश,
cartoons,
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड,
and
हाँ
enjoy
हाँ हाँ,
stories.
अरे वेरी गुड, हाँ, बहुत बढ़िया, हाँ।
We can understand many TV shows and movies in English. English is used in business and workplace around the world. It helps people from different countries talk to each other.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया, ऐसे ही ठीक होगा, शाबाश, वेरी गुड, हाँ हाँ।
Knowing English makes us feel happy and confident. It helps us understand new things and learn about the world.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया,
In the future, knowing English will
बोल,
help us get good jobs.
वाह, बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड, हाँ।
English is important because it brings people together.
बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड यार, हाँ।
That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, बस ये तो बताया नहीं कैसे सीखें इसको, हाउ टू लर्न। ओके, चल, कोई बात नहीं है, कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं, मैं बहुत अच्छा बोला तूने, शाबाश, तेरी बोलने की स्टाइल जो है वो बहुत अच्छी है, मतलब कॉन्फिडेंस दिखाई देता है, धीरे धीरे स्पीड आ जाएगी बेटा, अपने स्पीड नहीं चाहिए अपने को, स्पीड इज अ डिफरेंट थिंग, है ना, स्पीड नहीं चाहिए, यही मैं खुशी को कहता हूँ दूसरी वाले को, नहीं, धीरे धीरे आती है बेटा चीजें, है ना, स्पीड नहीं, स्पीड के चक्कर में अपन गड़बड़ कर दी, स्पीड तो अपने आप आ जाएगी, माइंड जब धीरे धीरे सेट होने लगेगा तो स्पीड अपने आप आ जाएगी। यस अंजलि, हाँ बेटा,
Yes, sir.
आ जा बेटा,
Hello everyone. My name is Anjali.
कैमरा चालू करना बेटा,
Today,
बोल,
today I am telling about English. There are many languages in the world, like Hindi, English, Japanese, Russian, etc. English is one of them. English is an international language. English is very important in our life because we can talk with each other help of English.
with the help of English, हाँ,
English. It is helpful for students and businessmen and all people.
शाबाश,
English
शाबाश, हाँ,
important our life. We can learn English easily with the help of a good English teacher and self practice.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया,
English is helpful in traveling.
वेरी गुड,
English is helpful our career. English is helpful self confidence, improve our self confidence. English is very important language
शाबाश
and very easy language. That's it,
शाबाश
sir.
बहुत बढ़िया वेरी गुड सो आई थिंक ऑल हैव टेकन देयर टर्न एंड यस हु इज देयर ओहो at the last moment Aditya has come. Aditya, come on, hurry up. We were just about to close the class. Come on, tell about the importance of English and how
Okay,
can
sir.
we learn it. Hurry up. Shabash, beta.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Hello, everyone. My name is Aditya Donaval. I am the student of Rambad Online Interactive Classes from B18. Today's our topic is how English important for us.
Hmm.
As we all know that English is very important, and this is a very nice language, and we learn English very carefully,
Hmm. Hmm.
and English like a
English is like a
like a like a English like a god.
okay. आगे बोलो. Hmm. मैंने इसलिए नहीं बोला कि मैंने पता नहीं भैया क्या बोलना चाहता है. What does he want to speak? So that's why sometimes it happens that they say that so sir this is not. I want to say something else. So come on आगे बोलो आदित्य. हाँ.
Okay.
Hmm.
Many judges say in English, and I become a judge and I improve my English,
You want to become a judge? Okay. Huh. Okay.
and English is a nice language because of some people say that English is very hard because that people know what is the English, and but English is a very big thing, and English is used in future and present time.
Hmm.
Last I say that English is a big thing. Yes, that's it.
Okay, very nice. खेल के आए हो अभी तुम लग रहा है. कराटे चैंपियन है बहुत बेल्ट विद बड़ा बहुत बड़ा इनाम मिलते हैं इसको. मिलेंगे कभी बेटा तुमसे भी. ओके थैंक यू वेरी मच. सो माय